Hello everyone. Yesterday we had discussed about the interconversion of different states of matter. Now we have to continue with the next topic. So our next topic is kinetic theory of matter. So before discussing this particular topic, you need to know what does the word kinetic means. Kinetic it is a kinetics is a branch of science which deals with the study of the particles which are in a state of motion. Kinetic means a state of motion. So, as we know that every state of matter it is composed of different molecules, either it is solid or it is liquid or it is gaseous. So molecules they are arranged differently in different states of matter and they do react differently with respect to different conditions of temperature and pressure. So that is discussed or explained thoroughly through this theory of matter. So first point, this theory states that all the particular states of matter they are composed of molecules. Their molecular origination or molecular composition. Then this theory states that in the case of solids, the molecules they mostly are fixed. They remain fixed or are mostly fixed. But if suppose some sort of heat is provided, so definitely these molecules will move, but their movement is only at their position only. Movement means from one place to another place they will not move. They will only vibrate. When some sort of heat is given, the temperature is increased, like in case of suppose ice cube. So this particular ice cube, it is kept suppose outside from the refrigerator. What happens? It starts converting to the liquid. Now how does this state reached? This state reached only when temperature is increased. It gains the heat, and when it gains the heat, what happens? The molecules of the ice cube, first of all they will start vibrating. When a time will come that temperature or those vibrations are at the peak, the temperature is also increasing and the vibrations they are also increasing, then the molecule to molecule attachment that will break, and finally the molecules they will become free and gets converted to liquid state. Clear? Next one, this particular theory states that liquid state molecules they are in a state of motion, but their motion is also restricted, means they can move only in a particular fixed space or area. While in case of gaseous state, the movement it is random. It is independent of any other particular molecule. So the gaseous state it has neither any particular volume nor any particular shape. The movement in liquid is also there, but the movement is in the limited space. That's why liquids they have definite volume but no definite shape is there, and in case of solid the molecules they are in the normal state normally fixed. So these are three general points. Next point, this theory explains that when the temperature is increased, either in case of solid or in case of liquid or in the case of gaseous state, then what happens? The molecules of any particular state, they start vibrating or they start moving. In case of solid, they are vibrating. In case of liquid, they start moving, and in the case of gas also, they start moving fastly. According to this theory, you might have studied, I think, in physics also, one particular term is there, kinetic energy. So, what does the word or what does this term refers to? It is the energy possessed by any particular body during its state of motion. So, if a particular molecule is vibrating or it is moving, naturally it will possess some sort of kinetic energy. Now, as the temperature is increased, what happens? You might have seen that during boiling of water, have you seen? So very common in your kitchen. You might have seen whenever we prepare the tea, first of all, water is kept for boiling in the frying pan. Now, as the water is kept for boiling, the gas burner starts heating that water, and after 4-5 minutes or 2-3 minutes, depending upon the amount of water and the amount of the gas being produced by the burner, the water in the pan, it starts boiling. Have you observed or not? And the water molecules, they are moving. Some are escaping in the form of steam. Now, how does this process happens? This happens, water earlier molecules are present in the normal state, but as the energy is provided from the lower end, the temperature is increased. Now, if temperature is increased, the molecular vibration or the movement, that also increases. Now, if molecular vibration or movement is increasing, naturally it will start moving apart and its energy will also increase. Clear? Similarly, if the temperature is decreased, not increased. Now, if the temperature is decreased, what happens? The kinetic energy, it also decreases. And if kinetic energy also decreases, the vibration or the movement of the molecules, that also decreases. So in general, we can say kinetic energy is totally related with the concept of molecules with external temperature and pressure condition. Pressure I haven't explained yet, that I will explain. So with temperature, if we relate the molecular movement, so as temperature increases, molecular motion also increases. As temperature decreases, molecular motion also decreases, and finally it stops. Clear? Clear to all? Okay, so you must listen it very carefully. It's very important topic. Next one is the molecular behavior in different states. This is also in the same topic, kinetic theory of matter. Now you might have seen a deodorant bottle. So when we press the nozzle of the deodorant bottle, what happens? There is a release of perfume or scent outside.